guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is my shopping haul. So obviously you guys would have seen the shop with me and Lisa. Now I did try and film as much as I could. One, it was hot, it was getting hotter. Two, everyone was in and out the shops, getting in the way. And also three, I was trying to get the stuff that I wanted as well, trying to remember my own shopping list because I left it at home, so I had to try and remember everything that I needed to get. Plus I was excited to see the new Mrs. Hinch range. Obviously she's got a load of restocks in her home bargains with all of the first drop that she done. So if none of you got any of her first lot, then pop to your local home bargains. Now our home bargains didn't really have much of the Mrs. Hinch stuff. She had loads of her plates and stuff, which was absolutely brilliant because I needed a set more. She had the new tea towels out, obviously the cups, the plates, the placemats, the flowers, the vases, and they had these in there as well, without the tea light obviously. So if none of you managed to get any of these, then head to your local home bargains. They had absolutely loads of them. Now the first time I went, when she first dropped them, they went absolutely viral and they went literally so quick I couldn't get one, so I got this one off eBay. But I didn't realise that Mrs. Hinch was going to restock like loads of these, so I could have actually got one really, but it's fine, I already got one now from eBay. Let's show you of what I got. So before I get to the massive bag of home bargains, I popped everything else in my Primark bag because that was the only bag I had big enough to pop all over my shoulder to carry the most heaviest parts. So this bag has got a mixture of Tesco's, Pound Stretcher and Savers bits, so we went into them first. What I'm going to do is just open this bag and just pull out things at random. So if I can remember where I got things from, then I'll try and remember and tell you where I got them from. So I saw these in Pound Stretcher, and I love a good iced latte anyway, but these are like the kind of like the dupes of them. So I can't wait to actually try these out. I did actually pick up the mocha ones, which you guys would have seen in the Come Shop With Me. But then we went around a corner and I saw these ones, and I swapped the mocha ones for the caramel ones because I absolutely love caramel. And it says just add milk and ice, good to know. But yeah, I cannot wait to actually give them a go. I don't know whether to have one today or some other time, or maybe tomorrow. I don't know yet. So when we was also in Pound Stretcher, now I actually got, without trying to drop them, 2 packs of these socks. Now I know we are almost in summer, but I had to pick these up because I use these for work. They keep my feet nice and warm and toasty for work. Because if you guys don't know, I work in a food factory, so it is absolutely freezing cold down on the shop floor. Obviously you've got to keep all the food nice and cold. Sometimes they're too cold where you can't feel your fingers, but I got these. I've got 2 packs of these. These are the thermal lady socks. Now every time I go and grab them out of my drawer, Nathan nicks them. So I've already got, I think there's like 2 packs already in there that's already been used, so I thought I'd get another 2. Sorry, I'm just trying to hold this bag so I don't lose it. So I've got another 2 packs. So yeah, Nathan's going to keep using my socks as always. Does any of you guys have partners and their socks just is now yours? I bought Nathan loads of like horror socks, Marvel socks. He don't use none of them. They're all thin apparently. He likes using mine. So yeah, I can see these going missing. But it comes in a pack of 3 and they are ladies thermal socks. Like I said, I absolutely love them, and I got them in Pound Stretcher. Pound Stretcher actually do really nice thermal socks, so if you are, any of you guys are like me that work in a cold place, then thermal socks are better for your feet. So in Pound Stretcher I got some Biscoff biscuits. I absolutely love Biscoff. I used to be obsessed with Biscoff at one point, and then I just completely went off them, and now recently I don't know whether it's because I've obviously like the hot weather, or I've been having loads of cups of teas recently, but I've really been fancying having biscuits to dip in my tea. The biscuits that I keep having, I've actually got some here that I was just started eating the other day, are the tuck cheese ones, but you can't actually dip them in your tea. But I like something to dip in, so I've got some Biscoff biscuits. So if you can hear all the noises in the background. And then obviously in Tesco's, because we are having a chicken, like barbecue chicken wings and salad, so I thought I'd get some Caesar dressing. So I've got some of that. The bedroom drawers just come wide open. Then in, I can't remember where I got these from. Savers. I got some more shampoo and conditioner. Now I absolutely love the smell of this one. Now I do want to get the hair burst one because it is so good for my hair. It stops my hair from falling out so much. But recently I've been loving this one. So that is the shampoo. I've actually got the conditioner to match. That just smells really, really nice and I absolutely love it. Then also in Savers, I just got the Garnier Ultra Blends hair mask. This is the coconut oil one, and I love anything to do with coconut. It makes me feel and smell like holiday. And then the last two bits I bought in Savers, these are actually for the wedding. Now Nathan wanted some hairspray for the wedding, so I just got him some Wella Silfskrin or whatever it's called, All Natural Hold hairspray. So he's got some hairspray for the wedding, and I've got some Pantene Pro V hair mousse. So this is for perfect waves, because obviously I'm having my hair a beach mermaid wave, so I've got some Pantene Pro V mousse. I don't actually own any mousse, which is completely wrong of me. Well, it's not wrong of me, but I've got literally everything else. I've got hairspray, heat protection, miracle sprays, I've got hair dryers, straighteners, mermaid wavers, barrels, hair brushes, hair clips, bobby pins, everything, absolutely everything. But I don't have mousses, so I had to get a mousse. So let's see how well this is. If anyone's actually had this, please let me know how it holds like curls, if it does keep the curls in for longer as well. I'm having my hair mermaid wave and I want to keep the curls staying in a lot longer. So if anyone's actually tried this, then please let me know how you guys got on, because if it is really, really nice, I'll have to get some more. Then moving on to, sorry for the very close-up look guys, massive Home Bargains bag. Right, I'm going to pop this down because it is very heavy. I've got so much in here, so let's crack on. So the boring bits first. I've got me and Nathan some squares. These are the salted caramel ones, I think, caramel and chocolate ones, which we absolutely love. So there's a pack of 8 in there, so we have 4 each, so we just share them. Now sometimes I go on TikTok when I've got nothing else to do, and I saw that my work colleague Lisa Belson, who I work with, saw that she went to Home Bargains and bought these. Now I love skips and I love salt and vinegar, so you put them together, you've got the perfect crisps. So I cannot actually wait to actually try them and give them a go. I hope they are as good as what she says they are. Yeah, I cannot wait to try them out. They had loads of these. They're only 73 calories as well. So if they are perfect and banging, I'll have to get some more. I'm hoping that Asda do them as well, so then I can get them off Asda. Got me and Nathan some chocolate. So I got the Crunchy Bits. Yeah, Crunchy Bits Dairy Milk one. I love Crunchy, I absolutely do. The Crunchy Ice Cream, it's just been released and it's banging, absolutely lovely. My corner shop sells that, and I had that the other day and it is really incredible. I love that. Nathan got the Marvellous Creation one. And in my Asda shop, I always buy a Crave for me and Nathan for like cereals and stuff. And unfortunately, they didn't have the chocolate fudge Crave that I ordered. So I saw these ones in Home Bargains and they are new. So these ones are the caramelised biscuits and white chocolate flavour. I cannot wait. I might have to have a bowl. of these tonight actually, because they look incredible. Oh, they look really, really nice and tasty. I absolutely love anything to do with like white chocolate or crave. I've been pardon the pun, but I've been craving crave for the last few days now, so I cannot wait to actually try them and give them a go. It's just plain and boring. I had to get some sugar. I completely forgot in Tesco's to get some canderel, so I just got some small sugar just for now, just to last us till Friday. And I bought some more hand soap because the one we have smells absolutely disgusting, so I got this one. So I know this smells amazing because I've got this as a shower gel. Oh, I love this one. It smells of marshmallows. It's mellow and rose milk. Indulge in hand wash. So got that as well. And then last a few more things to show you, which I've been excited and I cannot wait. As you can see in my hands, I've got the AU cans. But let me put them down for a minute because I've got 2 sets of each because I know what's going to happen. So again, I saw these on Lisa Belson's TikTok and she said that the orange one tastes incredible. She said it can be dangerous as well, especially when you know you've got work and you buy loads of these and you keep drinking and drinking and drinking. She said especially with like ice cubes in a hot day, she said it can be so dangerous. But these are the new AU vodkas and this is the Tango orange one, and she said this just tastes like a Fanta orange. She said it's absolutely amazing. She hasn't tried this one yet, so this is the Tango apple. So I cannot wait to actually give both of them to go and give my reviews. So I have actually got 2 sets of these because I know for sure that if I would have got one, obviously I would have tried some, and then my other half would have tried some, and half of it would have been gone. So I thought, do you know what? I'll get 2 sets of them. So I've got quite enough of them. And last but no means least, which is the Mrs. Hinch stuff. So you guys will see more in a eBay haul anyway. But I got the Mrs. Hinch tea towels. They are microfiber. They are so soft. They're the softest tea towels I've ever felt in my whole entire life. They're more like, what would you call them? Like face cloths. But they are so incredible. I love the colour as well. So this is now the 2nd pack I've got of them. Like I said, you guys will see more in the eBay haul of Mrs. Hinch. So I got that. And then last but not least, I just got to go and get them. I've got another set of the plates. So we now have got 2 bowls, 2 medium plates and 2 big plates. I wanted 2 of each anyway, so I know that if me and Nathan has our dinner up here, sometimes we've got our own plates. So we've now got our own bowls, our own medium plate and a big plate, and I cannot wait to actually pop them with the others. Try and pop that down slowly. So that is everything from my home bargains haul. Guys, that is everything that I got in my shopping. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Like I said, if any of you has actually tried the Pantene Pro V hair mousse, please let me know how you got on with it. Does it hold the curls in? If you have any recommendations as well of any other mousses that keeps the curls in, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love all of your help and your feedback because I've got everything else. I've got hair, like I said, I've got loads of hairspray clips, hairdryer, hairbrushes, scrunchies, the lot. Everything to do with your hair, just without the mousse. But I do want to get some more mousses. So if you have any recommendations, or if you have actually used Pantene Pro V, then please let me know. This is just the normal cheap hairspray for now. It's just for the wedding anyway. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. I cannot wait to actually have some of the crave. We might have to have some later on today. And I cannot wait to try these AU vodkas, which I might have to open later today as well. If you can hear the fan going off, it is really, really hot. But I wanted to add this bit into the video because I wanted to show you guys of what the AU cans and the cereal taste like. So this is the AU Tango apple. It just tastes like Fanta apple. It's really nice. It's really nice. You can taste the AU in it as well, but It's more like a Fanta orange, or Tango apple, so I say. And then this one, this is the orange one, and it just tastes like Fanta, really. It just tastes like Fanta. But there is a little bit of, obviously, AU vodka in there. But they are really, really nice. I would say the orange one is more my favourite than the apple one. So if I ever got them again, I would definitely get the orange one. The apple, not so much, but yeah. And I've just done myself the new Crave, the caramelised biscuit ones. Oh my god, they that's what they look like, and they've got white chocolate inside, and oh my god, they've got like a hint of cinnamon. Oh my god, that's really nice. Let's try it with the milk this time. 100%. I will definitely get them again. So if you're going home bargains, try out the Crave caramelised biscuit ones. They are absolutely amazing, and I would highly recommend this one. This one's my favourite, and this one's not so much. If you have enjoyed today's video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, which is down the bottom. Don't forget to click on the notification bell and next to it so you're notified every time I upload as well. It is free to subscribe. I don't know why people are saying, oh my god, it's going to cost money, this, that and the other. It's not. It's absolutely free to subscribe. You just click on the button and you are subscribed to my channel. Come along, join my channel. I've got loads of hauls, vlogs, everything. I've got my wedding coming up, so I've got wedding content coming up. And obviously after the wedding, I will then start buying small little bits for our honeymoon, like all the little things we're going to need, and then just pop them all into my suitcase ready. There's going to be like summer clothes is buying from Shein, Temu, Amazon. There's just going to be loads of like kind of holiday organisation and bits to buy, so when it comes to actually going on holiday, I've got absolutely everything there. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.